Hi everyone, today is Thursday, August 16th. My cast came off yesterday morning. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you the results and tell you how I feel about them. I am very, very pleased with the surgery. I'm still swollen. My surgery was only a week ago, but seeing the cast come off and getting to look in the mirror was really transformational for me. I wanted this for 25 years. It was something very personal. Lots of people keep saying to me, "Oh, you were beautiful before. I don't know, why did you do that?" A million people could say I looked beautiful, that I was perfect, that I looked fine, but I didn't feel that until yesterday when I got the cast off. I really feel good in my own skin now, finally. I don't feel anxious. Even going out today, my biggest anxiety was, will someone think my husband hit me? Because, because there's a little bit of bruising. I did my own makeup. I have a very high quality concealer on right now. I don't know if you can get a good look, but there's bruising under here. This side has quite a bit more bruising, but for the most part it's really going away and healing really well. I am still using the arnica gel. I'm still using the arnica tablets, the dissolvable tablets, and I made a conscious health choice to really eat in a very healthy way right before and immediately following my surgery. So I have, tried to eliminate processed foods as much as I can, and I think between that and drinking lots of fluids and taking the antibiotic, following the doctor's advice with the arnica gel and tablets, that I think that has a lot to do with my results so far. So this part is still a little bit swollen, and it is a lot less sore than it was. It's just slightly tender, but I did have a big bump here, so the doctor did take off quite a bit. Down here is still very swollen on the tip. If this is my final nose, I am still happy. I love it. I know that it's only 7 days, or my surgery was last Thursday, so today is Thursday. So it's a week since my surgery, and I can see results up to a year. If nothing changed from this moment, I'm thrilled. I love it. So I took some, I wanted to show you just a realistic view of, what the bruising looks like. And I left my makeup on because I wanted you to see how easily covered it can be if you get some good products. I do not work. Well, I do not work outside of the house, but I have 2 children and a wife, so I work plenty. If I had to go back to work, I could go back to work today if I had to go back to work. I feel absolutely fine. There's scabbing. I have, a lot of little scabs inside. I'm not picking at them. I'm still congested, but I don't know if you could hear that, but I can breathe, even though I'm congested. I'm really congested from the scabbing and from the swelling that's in there, but I can breathe way better than I was able to breathe before the surgery, even with the congestion and the scabbing and the swelling. So I'm going to just go ahead and take off the makeup so that you can get a realistic perspective. of what I really look like under all this glam. So here goes. I probably should have done this side because it's the worst side first, but it's definitely visible. There's still black and blue here. I think you can really see it very well now. And again, I don't have any foundation on my face. The only thing I used was a very high quality concealer that I purchased at a department store. It's one of the better ones that people use when they have birthmarks or scars or large areas that they need to cover up. So this is what I look like underneath the makeup. So like I said, this side has a lot more bruising, and I suspect it was because this was the side that was giving me the most difficulty with breathing. But if you look, it is yellowing. It's really healing so nicely. And that's it. I just wanted to give you front view and side view. I hope I'm giving you a good view. And I will keep up with you, catch up with you guys again. I will keep updating the blog, these video blogs, and I will keep you posted. I have a follow-up appointment. I believe it's in 3 weeks, the first week of September. So I'm very happy. I'm really very happy. I just wanted to mention that I drove myself to the visit with my kids. My children came with me, and to get the cast removed. The office was great with my kids. They were great with me bringing my kids. My son is 11 and my daughter is 6. And on the way home, I literally cried the entire length of the FDR drive to straight up from 96th Street straight up to the Brooklyn Battery Tunnel. And I cried tears of joy. I'm really so happy and so pleased so far. If I had to have one regret, it's that I worried about the post-op pain and what I would go through afterwards, and how horrible it would be, and all these crazy things that I put into my head, how I would look. I haven't experienced any of that. Anyone is more than welcome to send me a message. I'll be glad to answer any questions that you may have about the process. My experience has been great. My regret is that I didn't do this a long time ago. But then I wouldn't have Dr. Guida do it, and probably Dr. Guida wouldn't be who did it, actually, is what I'm trying to say. And I don't know that I would look so fabulous. So I am thrilled. I will catch up with you guys again. Bye.